Hey there, financial enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting journey towards financial freedom. Ever wonder what it really takes to become a millionaire? It's not just about earning more. It's about making smarter choices. Well, today, I'm going to share the 5 habits I stopped, doing to reach that 7-figure milestone. These changes were pivotal in transforming my financial life. Ready? Let's dive right in. Get your notepads out because these tips are game changers. First up, I stopped impulse buying. This was a huge one for me. You know those late-night Amazon purchases? They seem harmless, but they can drain your bank account faster than you think. Yeah, they add up. Before you know it, you're staring at a mountain of credit card debt. I started making a list of things I wanted and waited 30 days before buying anything. This simple trick helped me differentiate between wants and needs. Surprisingly, most of the time, I didn't even need it after all. Instant savings. It was like giving myself a raise without earning more. Next, I ditched high-interest debt. This was a game changer for my financial health. Credit card companies love people who only pay the minimum balance. They make a fortune off of your interest payments. Don't let them win. Take control of your finances by paying off those high-interest debts first. Focus on paying off high-interest debts first, then tackle the rest. It's like lifting a huge weight off your shoulders. Trust me, the freedom is worth every penny. Imagine the peace of mind that comes with being debt-free. Third, I stopped hanging out with negative people. This might sound harsh, but it's crucial. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Surround yourself with positive, driven individuals who push you to be better. Their energy and mindset will rub off on you. It makes all the difference. You'll find yourself more motivated and focused on your goals. Number 4. I avoided get-rich-quick schemes. These are traps that can derail your financial journey. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. There are no shortcuts to wealth. I focused on proven investment strategies and stayed patient. Consistency and patience are key. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. It's about building sustainable wealth over time. Finally, I stopped neglecting my health. This is often overlooked, but incredibly important. You can't build wealth without health. Your body is your most valuable asset. Regular exercise, balanced diet, and enough sleep. These aren't just tips, they're essential. They keep you energized and focused. A healthy body fuels a wealthy mind. When you feel good, you perform better in all areas of life. So there you have it. These 5 changes transformed my financial life. 5 habits to stop today if you want to become a millionaire. It's not just about what you do, but also what you stop doing. Impulse buying, high-interest debt, negative people, get-rich-quick schemes, and neglecting your health. Eliminate these and you're on your way to financial success. Take action now and watch your financial dreams come true. Thanks for watching. Your journey to wealth starts today. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more financial tips and tricks. Your support means the world to us. Let's get rich together. Remember, wealth is a journey, not a destination. Catch you in the next one. Stay motivated and keep pushing forward.